So here I am back at the secret lost room underneath the junked car lost in the forest. I got my metal detector, my Petzl helmet, and my cold steel tactical shovel. And we're going to see if there's any treasure in here. Now I just got to get inside. Start by putting on the helmet. Well, just lower myself down carefully and get in. Did it, I'm in. Looks about like it did the last time I was here a year ago. Got some metal objects there. Well, get down the metal detector and do some looking. Well, turn this guy on. Turn up the sensitivity to full and start sweeping. So that's my metal shovel. I'm going to start with the back wall here. Just make sure there's nothing hidden in the cracks back there. So it looks like there's nothing back there. Whoop. Okay. Metal detector says that's iron. And that looks like cement, so there's no way I'm going to dig through that. It's probably just a piece of rebar or something. Now this looks like natural rock here. Oh, we got some goodies right here. Let's see what we got. So these cold steel special forces shovels, you see a lot of videos on them on YouTube showing what a fantastic weapon they are. But they also make a great shovel. Okay, so it's still down there. Do a little more digging. So I found the first object. It's just a piece of concrete rebar or something sticking out of the ground. So this whole room is made out of cement, so it would be a reasonable expectation that I would find concrete in here. Now to continue scanning. So there's the concrete bar. There's my next target. So that target I was just digging for turned out to be a couple of nails. There seems to be metal all over the place. Like there's a metal cable, and over here I have a coat hanger on the ground. So I'll do some more scanning, and I think what I'm going to do is, if the detector says it's iron, I'm not going to bother looking. There's little bits of nails and shit all over in this place. There's an aluminum can. One place to look would be the walls. Be a good place to brick up some treasure in the wall and hide it. Nothing in the walls there. More iron. Over there I have some bumpers and trim off that car upstairs. Oh, that's a piece of scrap iron there. Oh, sounds like there's something. There's this bracket. Let's put that aside. Oh, there's something else down there. Well. Oh, there. Piece of sheet metal. Yeah, that's a piece of sheet. Wait a minute, what's under this big rock here? Of course, that is where I tossed this little piece of metal. Oh, There'll be something there. I've had lots of comments that this thing's really an old septic tank. Hope that's not poo I have in my fingers. Ew. So it says that's mid-range, verging on iron. Oh yeah, there. No, it's a shell of some sort. Well, Nick, probably just scraps of iron. Check this wall again. Oh, there's a spider. Doesn't look too happy. This wall looks like it's ready to cave in. But there's no treasure behind that wall. Let's check what we got in this wall. Well, isn't this interesting? A rotten old log holding the whole thing up. Well, there's nothing there. Check down here, getting close to the water table. That's another piece of iron. I'm not going to waste my time on it. And there's some trim from the car, which of course says it could be silver, but no, that's just pieces from the car. Check this wall here. Oh. Well, probably just some nails hitting in the concrete. The metal detector says it's iron, so okay. Not gonna waste my time on it. So it's break time, and I have an MRE here. It says toasted pastry, frosted brown sugar. Oh, that's a fancy way of saying Pop-Tart. Well, let's open it up and see what we got. And it is a Pop-Tart. Brown sugar cinnamon. This will be good. Just open that up here. There we go. Perfect nutrition for stopping for a break in the lost room that could be a septic tank or could be something else. Who knows? Well, break time is over. MRE is finished. Time to get back to looking. So this wall at the end is where I would expect to find something, if there was anything to find, but there just doesn't seem to be anything on it. There's like 2 chimney holes, or maybe that's where they fasten the toilet if this really was a septic tank. Hard to say what this is. There's minnows down there. Yeah, friggin' minnow. So this must open up out somewhere. It must open up out to the stream outside. There is a stream out there, so this somehow that connects to the stream, or the minnows wouldn't be in here. Well, there, I made it out of the hole, got my gear out in one piece, and I'm standing on the ground in front of the junk car, and all I have to show for it is 2 old rusty nails.